everyone, my name is Marilyn. I am an interior designer and I must admit I am one OCD or obsessive compulsive homemaker. With the virus going on in the world today, we need to take extra care of cleaning our house, and I want to show you important things that you need to be cleaning to make sure that you and your family stay safe from germs and from viruses. First of all, I got this UV Care sterilizer. It is like a wand that you can use to sterilize things like your cell phone, your laptop. Another thing that I like to use is the UV Care portable germ zapper, and I turn this on in different parts of the house. But for this video, we will be focusing on things that you normally don't clean. Things that you miss out on but contain so much germs and bacteria. So for that, I like to use disinfectant wipe. As you enter your house, make sure you clean the door knobs of your main door. This contains a lot of germs and a lot of bacteria, so make sure you sanitize them.
As I enter, my car keys are by the front door. They are extremely dirty. Make sure you sanitize them, as well as your video game controllers, TV remote controls. An often neglected spot are your baseboards. When we sweep the floor, all the dust and dirt actually accumulate there.
Moving into the kitchen, there are so many things that we fail to clean and to sanitize in here, and they contain so much germs, from food that are already on your hands to just like, you know, everyday germs.
Clean your refrigerator door handle. Don't forget the handles of all appliances. Don't forget your light switches, they contain so much germ.
Another thing that we often overlook would be your phones, like the intercom, your telephones, your landlines. You need to be cleaning them. So I am now here in my kids' room, and the children's room, you know, it contains a lot of things from toys to arts and crafts. Their bed is also here, and it's gonna be hard and difficult to wipe down every bit of it. And so for things like this, I use the UV Care portable germ zapper. Another thing which we often forget to clean or neglect to clean would be your artwork or your paintings. In the living room or in the dining room, we often don't think of cleaning this because we take it for granted, but you will be surprised at how dirty they can get.
Clean the chains of your window blinds, your air conditioner knobs, your printer buttons, your mouse, your iPad, and mobile phone. In the bedroom, pay attention to the handles of your wardrobe closets. The top of your wardrobe doors need to be cleaned too.
Speaking of cabinet doors, you also need to be cleaning the top of your actual doors. They can get really dusty and dirty.
Don't forget to clean your convenience outlets.
That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the quick video on things that you should be cleaning but often forget to do so. Just remember to look for things that you often touch and that you often hold that you don't always clean, because chances are those are the ones that contain a lot of germs and a lot of bacteria. Also, look for things that you don't normally clean on a regular basis, like the top of your doors, the top of your cabinets, the baseboards. Those things should be cleaned at least once or twice every quarter, I would say, because come on, let's face it, we can't really keep up and clean that once a week. If you like the video, don't forget to comment and don't forget to follow Marilyn Styles.